Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and a viewer or subscriber just sent me a little note on one of my videos. I just made a video about using the freehand tool and having it go smoother. And you don't have to go to options, but you might have to do it to make it like that all the time. Because you could go right here to this in the property bar of the freehand tool and slide this thing to 100, and then when you make that, it will be smoother. Now, with that said, I think you could probably go to the freehand tool if you wanted to draw like that all the time and have it smoother, and I don't know why you wouldn't. You could probably leave that at 100 and go to tools and save as default. But I was doing it inside that's going to save it as a default, I'm pretty sure, because I changed it. This is for particular, this way you could change it back if you didn't want it. If you wanted something rough, which I can't imagine why you would want to draw something rough, but when you've had the freehand tool, you can slide this bar or type in the number and it'll be smoother. So I think that viewer I guess I really knew that, but sometimes you forget things. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.